Roy from the Greenspoint area has a question about furnace replacement.
Yeah, the one he has was installed when he bought the house back in '88.
Mm-hmm.
Just give you a timeline, and this is the bad boy that he's talking about.
Yep.
Oldie but a goodie. Roy writes, it's been working fine, but an AC guy checked my unit and said I needed to change it out because it's too old. I have the old pilot light type, he says, and Roy wants to know, what do you think?
If it's not broken, don't fix it. Right. If you've got holes in the heat exchanger or something, then it's time to replace it.
And that's something we can't see.
And I can't.
Looking at this picture, obviously.
But if it's not broken, don't fix it. Everybody's going to want to sell you something new. That's just the way it is. Right. Go to a car dealer and say, I'm just going to look at a few cars and see what they try to sell you. I mean, it's their business. That's what they do. That's how they make a living.
A man doesn't walk on the lot unless he wants to buy. Glenn Ross.
There you go. So yeah, I don't know. If the heat exchanger's in good shape, everything seems to be working right, I wouldn't replace it.
I tell you what I think he's a candidate for. A second opinion.
Oh, yeah. Or a third.
Yeah, get more than one opinion, especially when you consider
But it is old. He said it's time to replace it because it's old. Well, it is old. He didn't lie to you. It's old.
Are we.
Yeah,
should we be replaced?
Yes.
No.
No.
All right. You got a question? Send it to us, old fogies, right here. Dag nabbit by Jiminy. Send it to us and we'll answer it. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. You'll find that form right in the middle of the homepage. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition. You'll find that form right in the middle of the homepage. That's on the web, the intergalactic web thing.